I'm here with Megan McKay. So Megan, what's your role at Kawneer?
Hey, I am responsible for HR for all of Kawneer.
And how did you get started in the industry?
I started in a diesel engine factory. They made diesel engines for locomotives. Straight out of college, I developed a really deep appreciation and respect for manufacturing and how complex and challenging it is to build something and put it out in the world.
What do you enjoy most about working at Kawneer?
I know it's cliche and I hate to say it, but the people. I love the team that I work with. I love my colleagues and the managers that I have. So I think without that, I wouldn't want to come to work every day.
How would you describe Kawneer's culture?
You know, in my role, I have the privilege of seeing everything that happens behind the scenes. So all the information and meetings that the general population isn't in. So I feel like I'm qualified to say that I think we have a really strong values-based culture, very ethical, very compassionate, and really happy to be a part of that team.
How is HR evolving in the workplace to meet the needs of employees?
I think we are always evolving. I think the most dynamic part of the organization is people and what people want and what people need. So I think the HR team is a really strong part of understanding what those needs are and how we incorporate that into our culture.